he would present himself and
Mr. Chairman,
yes, Senator Trillanes, while we're waiting.
based on the agreement last hearing, the witness, Mr. Edgar Matobato, was supposed to identify the other officers.
We will come to that. We're not at that
Yes.
moment. If you will recall, there was no agreement. I merely said I did not dismiss him. Precisely, I did not dismiss him just in case we will lead him. When the proper time comes, if you request, after testimony has been made, that would be more timely than now.
Well, if we're going to introduce these officers one by one, then that would preempt the whole thing, Mr. Chairman.
Mr.
I believe
Chairman.
it would be proper for him to identify these officers first, again as another test of credibility. Then we can make them present whatever they want
Mr.
to
Chairman,
present.
I may help.
Yes, go ahead.
Mr. Chairman, before the hearing started, I asked if they have a lawyer, and I asked the lawyer about certain stipulations, and he said they're willing to stipulate that they know Mr. Matubato and Mr. Matubato knows them. So that will do away with the identification because they're willing to admit that. But I'd rather they say it themselves once they get there. The request is just that they be given the opportunity to testify freely before they're confronted, just because there were 3 previous hearings wherein their names was continuously battered, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Senator Cayetano. You will recall that the chairman, both the chairman of these committees talked about an executive session so that they can have a lineup. In fact, I asked Senator Lacson, and he graciously accepted at that time that the witness be there at the lineup. But in fairness to the policemen, we wanted that so that they would not be unnecessarily ridiculed or their families could be, put to embarrassment. These are people who serve, and as far as I'm concerned, the general rule is that they do their duty. They're given that latitude. So having said that, anyway, all these people have been mentioned. The names that you have invited have been mentioned, and if they have not been mentioned, then you can call the attention of the chair. And if we need to identify, to let him be identified, then you can chair will entertain a motion at that time.
Okay. Well, Mr. Chairman, anyway, the suggestion came from the chair, and I was just
Wala na yan, wala na.
reminding. Yes, but if now Senator Cayetano is saying that yung mga na-identify ni Mr. Matobato na mga PNP officers ay umaamin, nakilala nila si Mr. Matobato, and that would do away with the identification process, and I would be satisfied by that. Pero sinasabi ko lang, Mr. Chairman, na when this idea was proposed, it was supposed to be a test of the credibility of Mr. Matobato. Ngayon, kung inaamin na ng mga police mismo, we should be fair enough to say na nagsasabi ng totoo si Mr. Matobato, Mr. Chairman.
Please do not put the cart before the horse.
Well, no, at least as far as the
the
identification
chair
of
would like to request Senator Trillanes not to make conclusions because that's why we have an investigation here.
But there is a stipulation, Mr. Chairman, at least as far as the identification of the officers are
In
concerned.
point of law, when a stipulation is made, that is to save time.
Yes.
It is not supposed to prove the case.
No. I was not talking about the case, Mr. Chairman. I was talking about the identification. Kasi sinasabi yon na papuntahin natin yung mga police para ma-identify as a test of credibility.
Well,
ngayon kung inaamin na, then we should also be man enough to say that as far as that is concerned, then nagsasabi ng totoo si Mr. Matobato.
I will cut this conversation right away. There is no need for it. The proper time to ask the witness is that, are you the same person referred to by Mr. Matobato? And I will suggest that you ask that question, and I will give you that right to do so. Pag humarap yung testigo dyan, tanay mo, ikaw ba yung sinasabi ni Matobato? Pag sinabi niyang oo, it doesn't prove anything except that the man exists. Tandaan natin, Davao yan. Makakakilala lahat yan. Kilala ng mga pulis yung mga hoodlum, kilala yung mga testigo. Nag-bury naman ako, kaya alam ko yung sinasabi ko rito. So, give me some latitude.